Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Delicious and Lekker. Today I'm gonna show you a delicious sweet recipe. It calls charlotte. The ingredients: milk 1 liter, cornstarch 125 grams, sugar 200 grams, vanilla sugar 8 grams, chopped walnuts 100 grams, peeled and chopped almonds 200 grams, rose water 2 tablespoons. The preparation: pour the milk into the pot, then add the sugar, cornstarch and vanilla sugar. Stir the mixture. Afterwards, switch on the stove. Stir continuously until it boils. After it boils, switch off the stove. Then add the almonds and rose water. Stir it together. Pour the mixture into a dish. Add the walnuts over the mixture. We let it cool at room temperature and then put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Bon appetit!